Hey, what are you doing?
Gumagawa ko ng bagong account. Okay.
Bakit ang complicated ang password mo? Just use your birthday. Mas, madali ma-remember. Napaka-complicated naman kasi yan eh.
Hindi ko lang kasi parang di secure yun.
Hmm.
How about create a strong password and enable the two-step verification. Hey, where did you get those photos?
Oh, I just found them online actually. I just quickly popped it in here.
But don't forget to credit the creator's name, okay?
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
Uy, may suspension! I'm about to share this with everyone.
Sure ka ba na totoo yan? Hindi naman legit. Wait, check natin yung official announcements. Wala namang wala namang suspension. Look. I-share yan. Wait lang tayo lang ako. Uy! Bakit mo check yung phone ko? Personal account ko yan. Wala ka bang sense of privacy? Uy, nakita mo na ba yung bagong movie? Yung Obsession? Nakita kasi akong pirated version online.
Very good yun. Fair naman yung sa mga creator.
I'll still download it. Hindi ako gagasto sa sinihan.
Paala ka. Uy, may assignment pala? Ay, ito na lang kaya ito. Tapos pwede ko na lang lahat. Update ko na lang agad.
Di ba may bagong assignment si Sir?
Oo.
I don't know how to do this. I can't understand yung material eh. Tapos ka na ba? Pwede ko kopya.
Actually, tapos na ako. Pero, in-AI ko lang kasi hindi ko binasa.
Ma-understand mo ba yung
Hindi ko talaga binasa. Kinopya ko na lang talaga yun sa AI.